ladies and gents. Welcome to another vloggy on this beautiful little day. We're straight up chilling. No rush. Oh, it's warm. It's a day after Halloween. And I'm on my way to the ever lovely Mickey D's. Meeky, freaky, deaky D's. That's right. Because I'm trying to win me a Polaris side-by-side in their wicked Monopoly game that they got going on. Because after which I'm gonna actually take care of a couple of things. Oh, I got it loosened. My head tube is loosened over here, so I gotta tighten that. That's gonna be cool. Beautiful day. Gorgeous day. Before I go for a little bit of a cruise, I'm actually gonna stop by Mickey D's now, and then I go for a cruise. All right? Is that all right, boys and girls? I hope so. I hope that's fine. Can I please go that way? Thank you. There we go. Mickey freaking Dickies. Mickey freaking Dicky. Let's go. We're gonna stop right here in this fucking prime ass spot next to this oil over here. It's gonna be all right. Oh, baby. This baby is freaking... She's seen it all. Look at this bike. Oh, that oil is not looking cute. But look at this fucking thing. Yeah. It needs a lot of love, this baby. A lot of love. I might just take all this shit off today. Because I thought about tightening a stem there. This is the part that I need to tighten. Huh. Guess it wouldn't be that tough. Take off the handlebars. Loosen these babies, put them up. Because these are tight. That could work. That could work. Yeah, basically I gotta tighten this baby. But I want to remove the top. And I want to pack all this with grease. Especially since I'm not replacing the bearings. We'll check it out. It's all good. Alright, boys and girls, let's get some McDonald's, and then we'll continue on. All right. Alright, boys and girls, we're back. We're back out there. Ooh, cute little XSR, modern baby. Man, I used to think this bike was loud. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy that things that used to be scary are now just regular. I'm actually gonna go straight on over there. Whoa. I'm gonna go to a skate park and take some pictures. Yes. This thing, man, needs so much love. So much love. Yeah, big fan of this bike. Big fan of today. Big fan of a nice, lazy Saturday. Like today, I could do a million things. I could do zero things. And what's cool is that the temperatures are pretty warm. So I'm actually toasty right now, which is pretty dope. Should not be riding this thing. You could feel the stem loose. Damn. Well, I mean, I'm taking it easy. Cute little skate park over here. We're gonna go down to this one down here. See, maybe I can take a picture or two. Maybe not. Very nice. A lot of abandoned shit around here. Some people probably live in these RVs, I'm guessing. Maybe not. Those windows seem broken. I'm guessing they probably do not live in there indeed. Ooh, mad glass over here. That's pretty cool. Super cool. Super cool little skate park. I dig it. I don't know who you are, man, but we're not doing that. Ugh. We're gonna turn around like this. Go this way. Just kind of a classic exploration. Ooh. Wait a second. I think I saw something cool. Oh my goodness. Wait 1 second here. Look at this shit. This is adorable. Yeah. I don't need this thing anymore. I'll put it over here. Random. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Literally just snapping a bunch of pictures. Fucking. That's what we used to do back in the day. Back in the good old days. Just explore. I'm actually getting a little warm, which is surprisingly shocking since it's freaking supposed to be cold. But I think it's all the layers. I think the layers got me all excited. Super cool. go over here. Alright. Gorgeous. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a poop, as they say. Fucking mechanics over here doing their dang. That's cute. This bike sounds good, man. Sounds pretty fucking good. This cute little coffee shop slash diner slash blah blah blah. Adorable. Yo, family, NYC taxi, that's not legal. My boy got a fucking... That's impressive though. That's pretty impressive. Why don't I do that? I should just do that, right? That's fine. We're just gonna go straight. Fun. Fun in the sun. Go. And there we go. It was a cute little spinabout, you know what I mean? Not trying to do nothing crazy. Go. Okay, bye.